What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create this 3D image on Canva. And they are on-demand image, so I can make the image appears according to my needs. In this case I'm gonna need a sports car to using some illustration, and I can just drop the image and drag it and use this 3D effect. How to create this for free is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your Canva, find your design, review the left sidebar of menus, and next to apps you're gonna be able to find the magic media. Then right here, let me just go back. You're gonna open for you just like this, okay? Make sure that you click on 3D. That is my favorite option. Type what you need. In my case, I'm gonna need a sport car. Click on generate 3D. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes to generate the picture. So let's wait together. Of course, it's gonna change according to the Canva servers. I'm gonna change according to the needs, according to the complexity of the image. But normally in 20 or 30 seconds, you are good to go, okay? Here is my image. Looks fancy. Looks really fancy. Loves it. Then all you have to do is click on the image and drop on your design. Just like this. And of course, you can play with the picture according to your needs. Okay? Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!